Are you a business owner looking for a fast and reliable sea cargo service from Dubai to Pakistan? Look no further. I'm here to tell you about our top-notch express cargo service that ensures your goods reach their destination swiftly and safely. Our door-to-door import service from Dubai to Pakistan takes the hassle out of logistics. Whether you're shipping electronics, textiles, machinery, or any type of item, we've got you covered. With a streamlined process and professional handling, your cargo is in safe hands every step of the way. What sets us apart? First, our speed. We understand that time is money, and our express service ensures your shipment arrives on schedule. Second, our reliability. You can count on our experienced team to handle your goods with the utmost care, from pickup to delivery. Third, our comprehensive service. We manage every aspect of the logistics, giving you peace of mind and more time to focus on your business. Our state-of-the-art tracking system lets you monitor your shipment in real time, so you always know where your cargo is. Plus, our customer service team is available 24/7 to address any concerns or questions you might have. Don't let logistics slow you down. Choose our fast and reliable sea cargo service from Dubai to Pakistan and keep your business moving forward. Contact us today to get started. Thank you for watching.